I don't think people understand just how game-changing the OnePlus Pad 2 Pro is. Hold on to your seats, tech lovers, because the OnePlus Pad 2 Pro is here to shake things up. Plus, it's sleek and stylish, available in glacial silver and deep sea blue. Launching May 13th in China with a global rollout soon after. This is the OnePlus Pad 2 Pro, powerful, portable, and oh so pro. Don't miss out on the ultimate tablet experience. Check out the OnePlus Pad 2 Pro today.